How to get affiliate in 1xBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for 1xBet affiliate. In the search results, you will see the official website of 1xBet partners. Head over to this website. After you're in the web page, here you can see Become a Partner option. Tap on it. First of all, you need to create your affiliate account in 1xBet partners. So in order to create a new account, you can provide following details. Once you fill out all these informations, you can tap on this next button. You can follow along the process. Once you are done, your form will be now submitted to the account managers. They will come up with the response soon. Until then, you have to wait patiently. Once your details are approved, you will be given access to the affiliate dashboard, and from there you can generate the affiliate links and promote accordingly. So that's it. That's how you can easily get affiliate on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.